I am excited, y'all. I am ready, y'all. And most importantly, I got a plug. I got a plug in Puerto Rico. Hey, Wisdom. What's good? What's good? What's good? How we do? How we doing today? How we doing today? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so used to doing what I normally do. I wouldn't say I'm like so used to, but I'm not gonna lie. Like the just me not being on live all day just showed me like how much time is really within like just the AM session. Hold up. Like there is so much time in the AM session that like when I'm on live, I just don't notice. But it definitely was an interesting morning. I usually just go to the gym in the morning, but I decided to go to the gym and then I ran after I go to the gym. But usually I go to the gym and then I come back home and then I go and run later. But I'm not gonna lie, I might go to the gym. I might run like after I go to the gym usually. Well, fellas, I'm short for this event. It's in the hands of the trading gods at this point. Everyone choose your own move. Yeah, chop is crazy. Why? It's pre FOMC, so we can kind of expect this. Here is my prediction. This is my prediction of what is going to happen. I'm not gonna lie. We have equal lows now on ES. I was hoping that we were in this range, but we kind of made that move down, and then we made equal lows. So we have about 12 minutes until the statement releases, and then at 2:30 is when the press conference, when Powell will actually come on. We're gonna pull him up. Low key, I'm a little FOMC live. Let's see if we can pull up. Sure, there has to be. Should we watch this? We'll have it on. I think I'm gonna have this on. I think this will be good to have it on, but yeah, I have the desktop audio on a little bit, and then yeah, we'll listen to this when it happens. But I don't really care about listening to it because what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for the manipulation, which the manipulation will happen at 2. The manipulation is gonna happen at 2. I've been back testing. I've been looking at previous FOMCs, and what happens is we will have a max pain move. We will have a max pain move. So price is very speedy. Price is very fast. It's going to be very volatile. It's going to be very fast. And here is my prediction is what is going to happen. I would expect, here's what I'm looking for. Hopefully, we kind of push up here within the next 10 minutes. I'm expecting something like this. I'm not expecting, but this is what I would be looking for. I really want ES to come back up in all-time highs. We would have an SMT with NQ, and then we can finish sell side of this model, finally, to this low. But this is what I'm looking for. So time to full port FOMC. Yo, what's good, Fish Cat? Yeah, full porting FOMC is crazy. Yeah, this is what I want to see. I want to see this come up. Obviously, we're going to have some crazy wicks. So I wouldn't be surprised if the first candle looks something like this. And then we have like a wick all the way down here. It wouldn't be this extreme. Maybe on like the 5 minute. But for the first 30 minutes, I am not looking to take anything. or for the first 20 minutes, I'm not looking for anything. That is going to be probably the manipulation move. I'm not looking for it. We will probably create a fair value gap from 220 to 240. There will probably be a fair value gap. That first fair value gap will likely get respected. But honestly, I might sit here and watch. I have the demo account, and y'all, yesterday I found I have TradingView now linked to Tradeovate, so I can place trades on TradingView, and y'all were overcomplicated it way too much. So I literally just have to press this button or this button to buy or sell. To be honest, likelihood is volatile chop. What's a good Excel? Well, we will have a manipulation move. We will have a manipulation move. The FOMC causes max pain. FOMC is constantly stopping and like it's going to be crazy. I have been looking at FOMCs. But we do have these equal lows here that I think we're either going to sweep and then go up to these highs right now, or that's probably what we're going to do. We're going to sweep this high, we sweep this low, and then immediately just run to this high right within the first minute. That's what I'm looking for. We have a very tiny SMT here. So it's all about what FOMC does, but I am expecting us to come to highs. I am expecting ES to go up into highs. Expecting a whipsaw? What's a whipsaw? Dude, what? I'm going to clean up the chart a little bit. So sell side, we have these. I don't know if we can run. How many points is that? I don't think we'll run 200 points. I think we'll probably have like a 100 point run at least. So yeah, from here to this high, definitely is probably going to happen. We're probably going to take this high. Because what are we already? We're already bullish. If we look at this, this looks pretty bullish for me that we're leaving sell side for us to then come to. So I would like to see us so to support my bias and for us to get the best action within tomorrow and Friday, I would expect us to probably come up to this high and then continue to have sell side. So I'm expecting, like, I honestly don't really know what to tell you all, except for to see it happen. Once it happens, then I'll be able to we'll see. But like trading this, you probably can take a trade within here, but for me, this just is not worth at all to take a trade. Soups and SMTs will be king right now. Soups and SMTs will be king right now. We will likely soup a low or super high. I'm going to mark out this 1 hour imbalance. That's kind of like the major imbalance that I'm looking at. I would like to see us wick these lows. So I'm going to mark out that imbalance. But yeah, this morning definitely was interesting. Not being on live during the weekday. Okay. But wouldn't you have to have a limit stop order instead of a market order? For this, I can just buy this and then I'm in. And then that's when I do my limit order. Because if I do this, like I probably won't get filled like directly on this if I do go in here and do trade. Especially me, since I trade off like the 1 minute primarily. Or I wouldn't say primarily, I use it every time frame. But I kind of use, I enter off the 1 minute. Try to. Notice, these equal lows look very clean. I think we're going to come down and wick this. Come into this 1 hour imbalance. And then run at highs. Yeah, but the first move is pretty much going to be the manipulation. We got 5 minutes. Whipsaw is wickedness in both ways. Full port Wednesday. Are you guys actually full porting today? Trading live on FOMC. Alright, we got about 5 minutes. Again, I'll probably pull this up. I don't really care too much about what Powell has to say, but we can listen. I just filmed such a good video before this, so I'm a little fired up. Definitely, y'all. It's uploading right now. It has about like 5 minutes left, but definitely, y'all. Go and watch the video. That's about it. Not about to drop. I'm about to drop a new activated video. Definitely drop it. Definitely watch it. It's definitely worth watching. All right. Now we wait. It's hard for me to say exactly what's gonna happen until it actually happens in front of my face. But yeah, I want to see. We have lows down here that I would expect us. I have this fair value gap marked out. SMTs are going to be king. We're likely going to soup below. Yes, we get out a drawdown or below the account. Kenny, if you're Kenny, bro, do not trade this. Do not actually use this. Do not actually trade today on your live account, bro. Please, make me happy, make me proud. Do not trade. Yeah, but you could set it at example of fair value gap so that it automatically fills. Yeah, I see that. But me personally, I guess I'll have to see. Like sometimes I have limit orders, and I also can just do like a limit like that. I learned how to do it, so. All right, we got it 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we do. Sorry, bro, I have to. Oh my gosh, Kenny, I'm not gonna lie. If you're actually going to trade on your live account today, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. Like I used to be against I used to watch like TJR, and he always said never to trade FOMC, but FOMC is good, and there's opportunity within FOMC if you know how to trade it. If you know how to trade it, FOMC is good. Same with anything. Like for me, a good day for me to trade a good day could be a bad day for you because we just have different strategies. What's the difference between limit order and market order? So a limit order. So say I want price to come here, and then once price comes here, the order is placed. So like I'll get filled right here. But if it's a market order, it gets filled wherever price is currently. So say I want to get in right here. I would place a limit order, so I would be in my trade once price comes to here. But a market order is buying at whatever the price is currently. Alright, we have like 1 minute. I'm looking like my heart's. I'm expecting us to wick this low. But again, the first 20 minutes, no touch. No touch. Again, SMTs are probably going to be king. We likely won't have an SMT here, but we could. We could have an SMT at these lows when ES comes and takes these equal lows. Hey, we got like 20 seconds. Full march and I could get out of drawdown easy. Yeah, 100%, bro. You'll get like a 100-point move, and then you'll live life. Then you'll live your life after you got a 100-point move on one day, on one trading day on FOMC, and then all of a sudden you'll be a better trader than you were today. You'll be such a good trader if that happens. You'll probably have like such good habits. You'll definitely make it. Okay. Woo! Again, this is probably just gonna be a big wick. Yeah. This is what I want to see. This is what we want. This is what I personally want to see. I want to see ES come up and take this high. We'll have an SMT, and now we have these equal lows down here. This is no trade. This is no trade. Bro, someone's calling me. Bro, you should have longed this, Kenny. You should have longed this. You would have been up so much if you just longed this. Bro, easy move right there. Can you imagine? Kenny's just like in his whole account right now. Puts. Yeah, I'm waiting for 20 minutes. I do think that ES will come up into all-time highs. I want to see the draw be all-time highs. Yeah, this is great. This barbecue chicken. This will also give me the best setups within the next 3 days if this happens. Oh, we will. 100%. We're coming back down in these lows, into this imbalance. I can tell you. Not like 1,000%. Every time, every FOMC that I've looked at is always a manipulation. Once we start. Because the FOMC statement comes out right now. And then this is when Powell comes on. This is when Powell speaks at 2:30. That's when we get the real move. Okay, all-time high just got taken. The draw got taken. This is exactly what this is great. This is fantastic. We now have an SMT at the highs. This will give me the best opportunity in the coming weeks as well. Now this just looks crystal clear in my opinion that now we can have sell side of this model. I'm talking about like longer term. Notice all these lows we have. Like this is just too clean. Okay. NQ, the draw is still this high, so I would expect this to come up and take this high still. And also, I have this shoot. It's on the 5 minute. I drew in this standard deviation. This isn't the cleanest because we never took sell side with it. But this standard deviation lines up perfectly with this high. Whenever standard deviation -2 to 2.5 gets met, I can expect us to retrace an equilibrium within this range. This actually does look great. This looks fantastic. Equilibrium is within these lows. This actually does look good. This does look good. I do like this. I want to see us come take this high, meet that standard deviation projection, and then retrace back in equilibrium all these lows that we have left after that manipulation move has happened. Causing max pain right now. It's a lot easier to read than... I do like FX replay. I have FX replay. But... I don't know. I don't love it, honestly. Just hit my TP on FOMC. Nicholas full ported puts. Kenny. This is funny. Uh-oh, Nicholas not saying anything. This might not be bad. 24 viewers at one point? Actually, that's insane. That's records. I can't wait till we get to like 100. All right, all right. ES took the draw, or NQ took the draw. Bro, why is everyone in a full port mood today? What? Everyone's saying full port. Everyone. Look how big this SMT is. I want to see this get ran. I want to see this create a fair value gap, and I want us to run this fair value gap. Again, anything I'm taking today is on the demo account. Why'd I? That was weird. I want to see this get ran to the downside. We're likely just going to have a fast move back to these lows. Again, price does not need to go higher. Just manipulating. People are getting greedy right now. People see this, they think they can catch moves here. Those are the weak traders. Those are the traders that are not serious about this. We have an SMT at highs. We don't really have any reason. We just took a draw. We just took the draw. We just took all-time highs now. Still looking nice. We have this hourly imbalance down here. We have all these lows down here. Take puts 1 micro. I actually will if we get displacement. I do like this. Once you run this, I can confirm that we're probably going to these. But again, this move should be a no touch. But I'm just because I'm on a demo account. I'm on a demo account. Oh shoot, bro. I pressed the wrong button, y'all. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the so blue is buy. Again, I would never be trading this on a live account. You actually press the. This is no. I want to sell. Oh, I see what you're saying. I actually did. But no, I would have got in right here. We now have a fair value gap formed. I want to see this come back in here, actually. That looks amazing. That is your entry. That is your entry. Yeah, we're likely just gonna sell off here. Move and stop. Aiming for this imbalance here. Where's trade at? This is bad execution. I should really be filled in around here. My stop here. I'm gonna put it all the way up here. Again, this is on my demo. This is on demo account. Average up? Hell no. When they talk about the rate cuts, yeah, I shouldn't really be touching this. Dang, minus 54. Not gonna lie, this is a little bit slower than I was expecting. Maybe my stop to this wick. ES looks clean too. ES looks more clean. Hey, my video just uploaded.
Healthy and sustainable economy.
Oh, was this on? After the live, bro, go and watch my video. Go watch my video after the live. One of the best videos I made. Yeah, never get FOMO, 100%. I mean, it's hard, but you just gotta realize that there will always be opportunity within the market. There will always be another entry. This is a bad entry. I should have got filled up here. You getting like 100? Yeah, it's because I posted like an Instagram video promoting my YouTube. Now I'm expecting to sell. This was just a bad fill. Very, very bad fill here. Here, I'm going to do something. This looks very clean. Wait, where is trade? Oh, it's because I have a line there? Alright. This would have been this would have been the actual entry. Move and stop lower. I don't want to see us come back into here. My stop's at this high because if we're gonna respect this, then we don't need to go higher on ES. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting faster action. I was expecting this to be speedy. I was expecting like very fast. So hitting 100K this year, bro. I don't know. 100K. I don't think that's possible. I mean, obviously it is, but realistically, if I was profitable right now and if I was on a live account, I think I would have much more subscribers than I have now. But I don't care about that. I don't care about having the subscribers because, bro, I have to earn it. I don't deserve. Like, I made a video on that. I was talking about, like, do I really deserve it right now? And no, I don't. 100K, I don't think that's possible. I mean, it definitely isn't, but let's be realistic. If I was profitable already right now, I think that there would be a higher chance. But I don't know. I've hit 4K in a month in 4 months. I've hit 1K within honestly like 3 months. And like social media is like the thing is like literally anyone can do it. And literally anyone can grow. Now you're gonna be big. You're too transparent not to be. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Definitely y'all. Watch my video I just made. Watch my video. Been watching you on IG for months. First time tuning in live. Hey, I appreciate it. Welcome. Hopefully you show up to more lives in the future. Yeah, this looks very nice. I'm going to move the stop just because it's FOMC. I'm going to move the stop just because it's FOMC. Normally, I would not like to move my stops. But just because it's FOMC, I will move my stop. I'm going to move my stop. I honestly think the video I posted today was probably one of my best videos I've made. Bro, I'm not going to lie. I was expecting faster action. Maybe just because I was like on FX replay to where like those candles like just pop up. I listen to your videos as I work out. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate like the support, y'all. I listen to when I run. I've been listening to bro. Do y'all know who Inky Johnson is? Inky Johnson's probably my favorite motivational speaker. Probably my favorite motivational speaker is Inky Johnson. Alright, volatility will probably spark within the next 10 minutes. Like, I know we're going to target these equal lows, but it's a matter of how we do it. This looks clean. I was expecting a faster move, honestly. At least what I've seen on FOMC. But volatility will spark again in like 10 minutes when Powell actually speaks. Bro, like, what is up with XA full for it? Hopefully my chat never gets like this. These are some straight up bots. Will you journal this trade as a real trade or was it just for fun? I will journal it as a real trade. But I think I might have it in a separate category for FOMC. But, like, honestly, price is going to be different during FOMC. But I'll still definitely journal it. Bro, can you remember me when you get like super famous when you sell a mentorship that I don't have to pay? I'll definitely remember all you guys. I probably won't sell a mentorship. Yeah, honestly, bro, I'm a little confused of why price is so slow. All the FOMCs I've looked at, price has just been like instantly sells. So I was trying to get on this because I was looking for a fast sell, but this is a little bit slower. I'm not gonna lie, maybe I shouldn't even be in these positions, but these equal lows do look very nice on ES. We're expecting a 1 minute imbalance. We had a manipulation moves up to the highs. I think the real move is gonna happen in 9 minutes. The NQ trade wasn't the best fill. I was trying to get it filled here. I pressed the wrong button, and then I still entered because I was expecting a fast sell, but we never got that. Low resistance liquidity, yeah, I agree. See, I might get stopped. Tighten my stop just a little bit. Because I was expecting the sell-off to already happen. If not, I can re-enter. I mean, this is FOMC. I'm kind of just testing. This is the first FOMC I've traded, so. But I have been backtesting. When Fed talks, does the chart move crazy? Yeah, Powell's going to speak in around 8 minutes, and this is when we'll get the real move. We're gonna get the real move when Jerome. I got stopped out on NQ. On that wick. Again, if I had a better fill, if I actually got filled when I wanted to, I would still be in. But that's just for me the first time ever using TradingView. I press blue instead of red. Dang, I got stop hunted. I think it's going to dump and take the Asian session. Yeah, this looks good now. I got stop hunted. I got ticked. The trade was still valid. I wasn't trying to risk too much. I'm already. I got a better fill on ES, and ES looks cleaner because we have the equal lows. Finally got TradingView linked. Nice. Yeah. Definitely nice. I'm gonna hop out this sell before Daddy Powell gets on stage. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm expecting big wicks, honestly. Next time, I shouldn't really even be in a trade within this. But I honestly thought we would have a fast sell. But we didn't. Bro, Powell about to take all your money. Powell gonna leave Kenny on the streets? Wishing he never started trading. Kenny, do you mess with casinos? If I have good risk reward, bro, like a win should wipe out these losses. The reason why I do want to go funded route is because my risk management would be amazing. Because the thing is, if I have a $1,500 account, if I buy one micro, like I'm risking like more than I have to risk more than 1% of my account. But if I'm on like a 50K funded, I can have one micro. I can do lower size when valid. All right, we got about 4 minutes here. Oh, we could soup this. We could soup this. We could come back up and soup this. The only reason why I'm in this, because we could sell here. But I think we're going to come up and soup this high. Nah, personal better funded the way to go. Yeah, I mean, I think we're gonna soup this high, cause ES won't come and take it. That's when I'll re-enter. I shouldn't even been in a trade. I was expecting a quick sell. I don't know why. I shouldn't be trading the first 30 minutes. I said it even when I got on. With proper scaling, I'm in. You're up to 1 mini. I just think that how much is that too personal if I ask you how much is in your funded or in your live account? Like how much do you have in your live account? Or is that like a federal question to ask? Is that like a Fed question? You have a long set up? Yeah, I think we're gonna come up and soup this. I'm gonna wait for this. Powell speaks in 3 minutes. I will take the soup. We will have an S&T probably. Maybe not. Get the shorts ready. Load up the gun. This looks good because it's already in that fair value gap. We didn't take it. My account is 1K, but it works with scalping because I don't risk a lot. Only $100 per trade. I see. But me personally, like if I'm in a live account, I wanna take a trade knowing to where if I have 1,000 in my account and I'm risking $100 per trade, that's like 10%. I want to be risking like 2% max. Oops, I saw that. All right, Powell. Let's spark some volatility. Is this gonna happen? Bro, I don't want to like miss something.
But maybe you hear about that up front when these comments begin.
Maybe that's one way to kill.
You know you're in the right place when there's a British guy talking.
Exact detail about what this means.
Is it? Am I tripping, or is it always like a British person?
Exactly how he responds to that. Does he brush it off in the same kind of way that he did?
This could be the suit.
December.
It's not a major deal, but it's the beginning of something that could be a big deal. There's just a clear and obvious contradiction in the outlook for 2024. I think if you see repeat,
it's always a British newscaster.
More questions about how.
Yo, what's good, Aaron? How you doing, bro?
They are really focused on.
Very careful with trading in a bull market, only because I'm still in the first year of trading.
Back towards 2%.
Excited goes back to Priya's analogy, which
Look
is
at
your
that.
target.
I want to see the split. If I see.
If you don't really run it all. and you just, run a mile a day and you don't plan to do it until 2046? Is that really your goal anymore? And I think that that's sort of one key question here as we talk about what
This is the soup
inflation target that we're looking at that's 2%.
It's a complicated spot for the chairman. We've got equities at all-time highs as he's about to open that door.
Great risk
and
on
sit in
this.
front of that lectern
I'm risking this
and
now.
talk to us about the outlook for rates. Equities at all-time highs, and at the same time they're revising their inflation predictions
Equities at
higher,
all-time highs.
and also still forecasting the same amount of cuts for 2024. I think that's a sticky spot for any Fed chair.
If this trade hits, if this trade hits my TP, this will erase all the losses I had.
Which also means nothing to a lot of people who say, what are you looking at? This is a very difficult moment as Jay Powell walks to address all of
But I grew this account since I failed my YouTube channel. Started at 1K, failed to 400, now back to 1K with even more conviction with my strategy. Hey, conviction is the best thing to grow as well. I'd much rather grow my conviction than to grow my account size. Like, I'd much rather learn and grow and have more conviction with my strategy than growing my account. Yeah, this looks nice. This is the soup. I was wanting to get into Insta Reels, making trading content. Any advice? Bro, just simply start doing it. Just simply start doing it and don't care what anyone thinks about it as well. Bro, when I started, I made like a separate account so no one would find my account. I tried to make sure no one else that I knew would see my account. But you know what happened like the day after I started posting? Like 4 of my friends saw my account and started following me. So at first I got like a little bit embarrassed. I was like, man, like everyone's seeing my account. My mom literally found my account too. And then like everyone else found my account. I'm like, how is everyone finding my goddamn account? And I was getting a little embarrassed about it. But bro, you really just don't care what anyone else thinks. And like, if you're realistically trying to make content of any type, just like be yourself and literally just don't care about any of the numbers. Like, I don't care about any numbers that I do with content because that's like kind of a rabbit hole you can go down. It's just worrying about how many views are you getting, like how many views are on this video? Will more views make you a better person? No. Will more subscribers make you a better person? No. It's like anything. Will more money make you better? No. Just try to get better. If you actually want to make content, bro, just simply start. That's all I can do. I just started. Bro, like scroll up to like my first videos. They are awful. They are god awful. You will be bad when you start, and don't think that you need like a high quality setup to start. Don't think that you need this goes for anything in life, like entrepreneurship especially. You don't need the best to start. You don't need the best thing ever to start. You don't. You just need what you have. Start with what you have. That's the best thing you can do. Just start with what you have. And then go from there. I started with my iPhone, and I started like I still have a shitty camera. I still have a shitty webcam. Do you think I really care about that? No. Do you think I have the best mic either? No. It's all about just starting. It's all about just starting. Just gotta keep the discipline. Broke my rules yesterday and paid for it. Yeah. I stopped making videos trying to shift over to live trades instead of recaps. I mean, it's all on. You said that you were. You said that you were. You said that you traded better too. Okay, I'm moving my stop to break even. I'm moving my stop to break even. Risk off on the table. This was a good soup. This was a good trade. And the fact that I entered this even though I took a loss is good. You lose focus on the real goal, which is trading. Yeah. Kilv is me if I kept uploading. No, I'm not. I'm not you if I kept on uploading, bro. I'm a whole different person. Bro, it's crazy relatable. Yo, Sut, thank you for the advice. See you, bro. Good luck. Yeah. Have a good one, Aaron. Simply, bro. If you want it, just start. Oh. Daddy Powell making my trade go to my TP. This was a good trade. Close trade. Close, bro. Oh. Like, there's no way ES doesn't run in these lows. The soup was your entry. Let's see. We kind of have a breaker here. We have that breaker imbalance. I'm looking at the body of this candle. I don't care about the wick. I'm gonna add here. That breaker imbalance looks nice. Stop is now break even. That was nice. We'll see. We'll see. Either I get stopped or TP gets hit. Nothing in between. But I did add because we were in this breaker imbalance. I don't care about the wick, especially with a high impact news report like FOMC. I don't care about the wicks here. Here, I'm gonna move one of my stops up just a little bit. Yeah, I don't like how I move my stops to this trade's still valid. I don't know if the ad was appropriate. We'll see. I want to actually move this above the fair value gap. This is impulse, but like this trade's still valid. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, bro, I got stopped. Again, I do not care, bro. This is FOMC. This is simply... I've never traded FOMC. This is me trading on a demo account, bro. I literally don't care. Yeah, low key. If I just stuck with the soup, put my stop here, I mean, I guess we'll see. And look at the body of this candle. It's still respecting that imbalance. I've taken 3 losses already. Bro, Kenny, you cannot be serious right now. We did respect this 1 minute. I was expecting wickier action, honestly. I was expecting like bigger wicks. We never really had like a big wick candle. Power! This is how you gotta be other trading days, though. Trading days too cautious sometimes. Yeah, I will say I am too cautious. I mean, especially on the demo, too. I'm only trading this. Like, this is not going to ruin my conviction. This is not going to put me in a funk because, bro, I know it's FOMC. Still now 1 minute for value gap. Yeah, we do have that 1 minute that we came back into. Is that gonna happen, Powell? Oh, I turned off the audio.
Committed to that outcome, and we will bring it about.
Hi, Chair Powell, Rachel Siegel from the Washington Post. Thanks for taking our questions. You and others have been saying that relief on housing inflation is coming.
Would y'all be shitting your
Still
pants
hasn't
if
shown up
you're asking
meaningfully
Powell a
in
question?
the CPI or the PCE. Does that challenge your assumption about when the shift will finally break through, since it hasn't at that point?
So I think there's some confidence that the market rents.
Again,
market rent
I should have.
that we're seeing will show up.
What I should have done here
Services
is I
inflation
should have just
over
taken this
time.
to this low.
There's a little bit of uncertainty about when that will happen.
This
but
would've been a
there's some confidence
great
that it
trade
will show up
if I just took it to this low.
over time. But again, uncertainty about the exact timing of that.
That's something I will journal though.
Will you be able to get overall inflation down to target if housing doesn't break through quickly, and does that affect the timing for eventual?
I should have just
taken
taken it to
We
this
will
low.
get aggregate inflation down to 2%.
Try to catch the
over
little
time.
move.
We will.
That's why I got stopped.
And I would assume that what we'll continue to see is we'll see goods prices coming into a new equilibrium where they're going down perhaps.
Okay, we
not
now have
as quickly as they
S&T.
had been earlier this year.
If we get
where housing
displacement, I will
services
take
inflation
again.
will come back down as current market rents are suggesting will happen, and where non-housing services will move back down. Some combination of those three.
Yeah,
things
that's something I have
some
struggled on some of my
combination we
trades.
before the pandemic will be achieved.
We now have an
and
SMT
inflation
here.
back down to 2% sustainably.
We have 2 SMTs here. I'm gonna see if this holds.
Nick Timmeros of the Wall Street Journal. Chair Powell, during your congressional testimony...
Anytime we have 2 SMTs, I've noticed that I've been hesitant to take it when we have back-to-back SMTs. Again, SMT on the higher time frame. Now we have an SMT here. It's not the cleanest, but it's still an SMT.
At the same time, you said here after the last meeting that the first cut is highly consequential. Can you reconcile these views for me? If rates are well above neutral, why would the first cut be highly consequential? Is that because you anticipate one cut would be followed by 1 or 2 more along the lines of the recalibration you made in 2019, which itself was modeled on the mid-cycle adjustment of 1995?
It's more, I would put it more in the context of what I said in my opening remarks, that the risks.
Again, notice that we do have these equal lows still.
We're in a situation where, you know, if we ease too much or too soon, we could.
Okay,
see
I'm
inflation
taking
come
one
back.
last stab. If I
And
get
we
stopped
ease
here,
too
I'm
early,
no
we
longer
can do
taking a trade.
unnecessary harm to employment, and
I'm still gonna target these
working
lows.
class. And so
I think this is the real
we
move.
do see the risks as two-sided, so it is consequential. We want to be careful. And fortunately, with the economy growing, with the labor market strong, and with inflation coming down, we can approach that question carefully, and let the data speak on that. That's really what I was thinking.
How much of that inflation that we've seen so far this year do you chalk up to one-off calendar adjustment effects following a period of high inflation?
If this gets stopped, it's just not meant to be.
The trend we saw in the second half of last year.
Again, I would not be
But
taking
I
this
wanna
many
start
trades
by
on a live
saying,
account. I'm simply doing this
I
on
would
a
try to
demo.
be careful about dismissing data that we don't like. So you need to check yourself on that, and I'll do that. But I would say
Bro,
the January number
Powell-
was very high.
Powell-
January CPI and PCE.
Yeah, I got
was
stopped
quite
again.
high. There's
I'm not
reason to
taking
think that
anything.
there could be seasonal effects there.
I'm not taking
but
anything.
Nonetheless, we don't want to be completely dismissive of it. The February number was higher than expectations, but we have it at currently well below.
Damn, bro! Like all the FOMCs I've looked at,
which is not
the
terrible.
price action has never
So
been.
not
It's been like
the January number.
we've been having
I think
hella
the two
wicks.
together, and I think they haven't really changed the overall story, which is that of inflation moving down gradually on a sometimes bumpy road toward 2%. I don't think that story has changed. I also don't think that those readings added to anyone's confidence that we're moving closer to that point. But we didn't. Last thing I'll say is we didn't excessively celebrate the good inflation readings we got in the last 7 months of last year. We didn't.
Oh, I guess now we know, bro.
Take too much
Sut trades does not trade
What I was
FOMC.
saying was that we needed to see more, that we could.
I'm
we
not-
wanted to be
I
careful
probably
with the
shouldn't.
Decision, and we're not going to overreact as well to.
I mean, this trade was a good entry. I just should have taken it at this low. This was a good entry. Just taking someone off at this low. That would have been a great trade
Yes,
in that
Charles.
1 minute fair value gap as
Um,
well. But I'm just trying to
Could you
catch too much
speak a
here.
little bit more about the timing,
And then this first
is
trade,
there,
I just thought that we would have an
enough
initial sell.
data, between now and say May to be able to get the kind of confidence that you say that you still need, or by June, is there enough data for you? Just give us a sense of your thinking there.
FOMC's
Yeah,
chalk.
so we make decisions meeting by meeting, and we didn't make any decisions or about future meetings today. Those are going to depend on our ongoing assessment of the incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risk. So I really don't have anything for you on any specific meeting looking forward.
But, just a question of, is there even enough data?
Okay, I'm gonna stay on for like 10 more minutes, and we're gonna see
You know,
if we do get like a sell.
things can
But I
happen during
think
an intermeeting period. If you look
we
back,
probably won't get much action after this. Usually,
I wouldn't wanna take
volatility
anything.
really spikes
I
around this
just would
time.
say that the committee wants to see.
But like even here, y'all, like candles weren't
gives us
that
higher
quick.
confidence that inflation
I was
is
expecting
moving
quicker
slowly
action.
toward
All the
the
FOMCs I've
I
looked
also
at,
mentioned,
we've had really
we don't see
like
this
big
in
wicks.
the data right now,
No,
but if there were a
that was not the
significant
case
weakening
today.
in the data, particularly in the labor market, that could also be a reason for us to begin the process of reducing rates again.
But I am excited
point at
because
that, but
now
those are the things
now we
we're
have
looking at
sort
in
of
coming meetings,
a
without
reason
trying
to
refer to any specific meeting.
enter this market maker sell model on a higher time frame.
Hi.
Man,
Chris
ES is
Associated
just so
Press.
bullish.
Thank you. In the projections,
We're in all-time
there is
highs
an
right now,
increase in the neutral rate, as
in case you
know,
forgot.
and higher rates, a quarter point higher rates projected in 2025, 2026.
Yeah, y'all, do y'all want to make a March Madness bracket?
Might be behind that. Is there a real sense here that the economy has perhaps changed in some way?
That's
that,
what I was
higher
thinking
rates
we
will
could
be
do.
needed in the future. Thank you.
So you're right, they're pretty modest changes, but you're right, there was an uptick in the longer run rate, and also there's a 25 basis point increase in 25 and 26. In terms of are rates going to be higher in the longer run, if that's really your question, I don't think we know that. I think it's
We got-
think
we-
that
we
rates
fin-
were
we finna
generally low
make a
during the
bracket. Bro, like, there's
post-global financial crisis
even if we do
era.
get a sell here, I doubt we will.
For reasons
We're just
that
setting this up for a
uh,
tomorrow move, honestly.
important, slow-moving, large things like demographics and productivity.
This
and
is about to be the
things
bracket.
that don't move quickly. But I don't think we know. I mean, my instinct would be that rates will not go back down to the very low.
Who y'all got,
levels we saw
FAU or
all
Northwestern?
around the world, that were long-run rates that were at or below zero.
Here, we'll do this.
In some cases, I don't see rates going back down to that level, but I think there's tremendous uncertainty around that.
Dude, this one's like a 50-50 for me.
Projections you also have.
I could see Northwestern just because they have like a 12th year senior or something like that. Boo Booey. I'm gonna take Northwestern, San Diego State or UAB. I honestly think this tournament will have the most setup upsets, bro. My AirPods are at 2%. I low-key think UAB is gonna win. What do y'all think? I got UAB. Imagine someone just joining the stream and they're like, bro, what is going on? Expecting to see me trade FOMC. Low-key, give me UAB. I think UAB upsets. Auburn, Yale. Oh, bro, my chat did not. So you trade on a live or funded or on your main, bro? I'm on a demo account. Justin got stops on his shorts. Bro, I'm literally in his I'm in his Discord. I pay $70 for a Discord, but I literally don't go in any of the live trades. Like I'm in a. Can we review trades taken? Yeah, hold up. We'll do that first before I. So any FOMC I've looked at, we've had like fast moves. Like we take highs, then we take lows. We cause max pain, but that honestly really wasn't the thing here. We didn't really cause max pain. This is kind of like standard price action. If you showed me this chart, I would not tell you that this was FOMC. If you showed me this chart and told me that this was FOMC, I would not believe you. But basically, I entered here. I was expecting a quick sell-off. We have an SMT at the highs. We draw was taken. We have these equal lows down here on ES. Relative equal lows on NQ. We have this hourly imbalance I was expecting us to come back to. So I entered here. I would try to enter here. I pressed the wrong button, so I realistically got entered here. But I thought that we were going to come back and sell here. And then again, this second entry was the best entry. I took it off turtle soup. I should have took it off at this low. That's what I'm confident in. But this is a good turtle soup entry, regardless. Do we have it? No, we didn't. Yeah, we didn't have an SMT. So this was a turtle soup. Back in that 1 minute imbalance. Just take it to this low. I guess I was just trying to catch too much here. And then I added on this breaker imbalance off this wick. I thought we were just gonna sell this low. That's not what happened. Like this price action literally wasn't like FOMC like. All the FOMCs I've looked at, this just looks like standard price action in my opinion. Like FOMC low key was this was mid today, honestly. Maybe, but in relative to like these candles, yeah, these have a lot of volume. And then lastly, we had an SMT here, and then this SMT. This would have been the possible soup. I took this, again, just got stopped out. Not very good price action, honestly. And now there's no reason to take a trade. Alright, let's pull up this bracket. Was up 3%, 10 lost 5%. When does Powell speak next? That's all he speaks. He spoke. That's it. Alright, low key, I got Yale's nice, but I think there's no way Auburn loses. Auburn's nice. BYU or Duquesne's? I could low-key see Duquesne's winning, honestly. I'm going to go with BYU. Illinois or Moorhead. I don't know anything about Illinois. Bro, who does Illinois play? Like, who does Illinois play? Purdue? How'd they beat Purdue? Play Wisconsin and Nebraska. They lost to Michigan State. Then they beat them. I don't know. They played Tennessee. Who's on their team? Their defense looks lackluster. They only have 2 scorers. Ooh, I'm taking the upset. Drake, I'm taking Drake any day of the week. Iowa State. I'll take BYU. I'll take Iowa State here. We'll take Auburn and UConn. Or I could see UConn ain't getting upset. I'm gonna take UConn in the Final Four. North Carolina, bro, this game's a toss up for me. I'll take Dude, this game's either going either way. Yeah, Mississippi State sucks at free throws. Bro, this is gonna be an interesting game too. So you're up 3% and then you lost 5%? Bro, why do you even let that happen? Risk management, bro. Risk management, bro. Lack of discipline too. Wait, who did GCU play that was... SDSU? They played South Carolina as well. Bro, low-key, I'm seeing this upset as well. Grand Canyon's hot. Alabama worries me. Alabama worries me. Just because they can't play defense. Or they play at such a high pace. Usually one trade a day. Yeah, usually I take one trade a day. It all depends. The only reason why I took so many trades today is because FOMC. I'm trading on a demo account. Like, I'm not losing anything. Yeah, I gotta go Bama. Clemson, New Mexico? New Mexico's overrated in my opinion. Clemson has like a senior. Baylor, of course. This is also another toss-up. I'm taking Nevada just because they have more experience. They've taken L's to George Mason. Like, who even is that? Yeah, I'm taking Nevada. Arizona? I'm taking Nevada over Arizona. I want to take Baylor. Screw it. Alabama. I'm going to take Michigan State, yo. I'm taking Michigan State to the Final Four. Tennessee. Bro, I have a 66.42% win rate. I thought it would be higher. Bro, I have no clue what my win rate is. I gotta take Texas. Creighton. South Carolina. Kansas. There's no way Kansas loses, y'all. Same with... I like McNeese State a lot. I'll take Gonzaga, though. Who's McNeese play? Damn, bro. They won by 50? You can check on Trade Debate. I closed out it. I think FOMC is like 8 times a year. I don't think it's the exact dates. FOMC happens every 6 weeks. Every 6 weeks, so that's like 8 times a year. Every 6... It's always on a Wednesday, too. Again, like there's nothing to touch here. But I was honestly surprised about this. We're gonna finish this bracket and then I'm gonna hop off. Alright, so we got I'm taking Gonzaga. I'm taking TCU. I'm taking Purdue. Bro, I want TCU to upset Purdue, bro. I'm taking TCU. I'm taking Gonzaga. I'm taking Gonzaga here. I'm taking Creighton. And I'll take Tennessee. I'll take Tennessee here too. I think Tennessee... I don't know. I don't love Tennessee though. Houston. I'm taking... bro, this is another... This is going to be a good game too. I'm going to take Nebraska just because they got that Asian guy that's insane. I'm taking James Madison. I'm seeing this upset. James Madison's nice. I'll take Duke. I'm taking Texas Tech, bro. Texas Tech always makes a run in the tournament. Florida or Boise/Colorado. I'll take Florida just because Colorado plays today. Marquette. I don't like Marquette, y'all. I'm taking Western Kentucky. As crazy as that sounds, I'm taking Western Kentucky, y'all. Blew my account, bro. Won't be active for a long time. Kenny. 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 Kenny, my brother. You're not serious about this. You're not serious about this. You're not serious about this, Kenny. Look at yourself in the mirror. Look at yourself in the mirror. How old are you, Kenny? How old are you, Kenny? How old are you? "19. You're 19 years old. Why are you trying to rush it? Why are you trying to... Bro, you're 19. You think you're going to be a millionaire by 20 years old because you see other people on social media flexing a car. Bro, you're 19 years old. Why are you trying to rush it? Why? You can either give up. You can either give up, or you can actually use this as a learning lesson, bro. You can go to the goddamn casino at this point, Kenny. Take all your goddamn cash, put that shit on black. Do it. You might as well. You might as well just be doing that with your time right now. You might as well just be watching porn, jerking off, eating a bag of Doritos. You might as well just be doing that right now. I mean, straight up. You might as well. Because that's what I was doing. I was jerking off. I was gambling. Shit, I was in like such a tough point. And then I decided, are we going to be serious about this, or are we going to actually learn from this? And what I do, I start posting on social media. The best thing about me posting on social media is now I have people to keep me accountable. Bro, I have people like you guys that come in here every single day and keep me accountable. And simply, I will be transparent as possible. I took 3 losses today, but I don't even care about that. Because I'm on a demo account, it's 1 year of my life wasted. I quit trading. I'm just gonna work a 9 to 5? Bro, you're 19. You're 19. I mean, bro, simple as this. This is not me trying to self-promo or anything like that. This is not me on like some self-promotion type stuff. Literally, just watch this video. Just watch this video. So, right now, hop off the stream and just watch this video. Kenny, just watch this video. I promise you. Just everyone should watch this video. This is my best video I've ever made. Very happy with this. Just right now, Kenny, just go and watch this video. I have no patience, brother. My motivation is all-time low. I don't want to do anything anymore. Bye, guys. Kenny. Like, real talk, you come in here, and I mess with you. You gotta be real about it. You gotta be real to yourself. Kenny, do not give up. You're simply at a point to when you are struggling, you're at a low point in your life. Do you know the best thing about low points in life? Do you guys know the best thing about lows in life? Is that anytime I'm going through something, anytime I'm struggling through something, anytime I feel like I'm at a low, or any low that I have encountered, I know that there's a positive at the end of this. And you can either become the victim, you can suffer that low, and you can make your life miserable, you can be depressed, you can sit in there and not get better, not take a learning lesson from this, and continue to make the same mistakes over and over again. There's two sides to it. You can say, yeah, this isn't easy, this is great, I love that I'm struggling, I love that I'm going through something right now. Because I know that this moment right here will make it to when, on the other side of this, the struggle right now is what makes the success and what makes when I will achieve it all worth it. You can either give up now, give up on your hopes and dreams, give on what you said that you were going to do, or you can keep on pushing through the struggle and actually learn from it. Like, you are going through something right now. You're likely not in the best mental framework right now. Why would you give up? What does giving up do for you? You give up on your hopes and dreams, and then guess what, Kenny? In 3 years of your life, you're going to be like, man, what if I didn't stop trading? What if I actually took trading serious? Because, bro, you're just trying to gamble. You're trying to make money. No one becomes a successful trader by just trying to make money. I would recommend, take a week off. Take a week off of trading, and seriously ask yourself if you want to take this serious. Ask yourself if you're serious about this. Are you actually serious about trading? Just take 1 week off, and don't even look at the charts. Don't even look at the charts. Simply take a week off, and ask, is this seriously what I want to do? Is this seriously worth it? Because, bro, trading is such a get-rich-quick scheme nowadays to where everyone wants to get into trading, but no one realizes what trading is. Trading will have you battling your demons. Trading will have you facing emotions you never thought you would face. Bro, you are coming to the market trying to make money. That is not good. So either quit, give up, or simply take this as a lesson. What do you want to do, Kenny? What do you want to do? All right, where's my charts? I'm gonna look back at the charts. Inspiring words. Thank you. Yeah, there's nothing else. Kenny, give up, bro. Why would you want to give up? Why would you try to give up? Literally, go and watch this video. Right now. Go and watch this video. Kenny, bro, shit can change. Your life can change in an instant, bro. I'm a walking testimony to this. Look. This is 2 months ago. Oh my gosh. Go and watch this video. I don't even know if I was looking at it. Go and watch this video right now. My video I just uploaded. Go and watch it. Kenny, this is me 2 months ago. Struggling. Just look at who I am in this video. You can tell I've changed, bro. I look like a goddamn cupcake. Struggling. This is just 2 months ago. Within that 2 months, bro, my whole perspective on the markets have changed. I've been able to read the market a lot better. I know what I'm looking for now when I trade. I've been a lot happier. I've been a lot healthier. Everything in my life has improved since that video. This is my first ever YouTube uploaded 2 months ago. Within that 2 months, I'm now at 1,000 subscribers. I'm now at 1,000 subscribers. I never thought I'd be able to get there, bro. Not all stories have good endings. Mine is not a good ending. It was fun while it lasted, Caleb. I mean, Kenny, bro. Like, seriously, I'm trying to help you. And if you just think that your life is going to be bad, if you are your thoughts. So if you think that your life is going to be bad, if you think that you're not going to ever accomplish anything, then you're simply just never going to catch your goals. You're never going to do anything in life if you constantly tell yourself that you're not going to make it. You're not going to become successful. But bro, I do the opposite thing. I brainwash myself to tell myself that anything is possible, that I'm going to make it, that I'm going to become successful, that I'm going to become the next big thing. And what do you think is going to happen? I'm going to make it because I'm brainwashing myself. As much as people brainwash themselves into thinking negative things, I brainwash myself into thinking positive things, and into thinking big, bro. Just because you're just brainwashing yourself into thinking negative things, so you're automatically setting yourself at a disadvantage. Like, you're probably not going to make it if you tell yourself you're not going to make it. Your life is going to be terrible if you tell yourself your life is terrible. You're not going to accomplish anything if you tell yourself you're not going to accomplish anything. Bro, any successful people, any successful person of all time has told themselves that they are going to get there. Bro, you think goddamn Michael Jordan told himself he wasn't going to be the greatest? You think Michael Jordan wasn't at least cocky and confident just a little bit? So what do I do then? What do you do right now? Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym right now? Are you in the gym? Are you consistent what you do? Do you tell yourself that you're going to do things and then not do it? Because that sounds like what you do. Do you say that you're going to stick to like a routine or something? You go to the gym 2 times a week, brother. And you wonder why you're not successful. You wonder why you're thinking negative thoughts. You wonder why you're depressed. Or you wonder like you're sad. Bro, you go to the gym 2 times a week. And I'm not trying to diss on you. I'm just being real with you. I'm just being real with you because I want to help you. Brother, I went to the gym 0 times a week. And I was constantly like, I knew that I was going to be something. But I went to the gym. I wasn't going to the gym at this point. I was working a shitty job. I was just trying to get my money up. That's simply all I was doing. And my mental during that time was ass. I would go to the gas station after work. I would get a bag of candy because I thought I was rewarding myself for working like a 13-hour shift or like a 14-hour shift. Like that. What that? How am I rewarding myself for doing that? Bro, I'm literally not putting enough effort into it. What I can do, what I would recommend for you to do, bro, I'm just tired of taking L's, never caught a dub in so long, don't even know how it feels to be happy anymore. Bro, you're doing the same shit over and over again. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna be real with you guys. We're gonna get real here because I feel like it. Bro, I used to be addicted to gambling. I used to have a sports betting addiction. That's where I used to be. That's where I was. This is why I do what I do. This is why I get fired up, and this is why I will never quit. I'll never give up. Bro, I used to be addicted to sports betting. So mind you, this is what this looks like. So I'm in high school at the time. I'm 17 years old. I worked my job. I worked like 30 hours a week during school. And I'm working. My friends are having fun. My friends are going out. And I'm working while this is all happening. And I'm addicted. And it sounds kind of like what you're going through right now. You're addicted. But I would literally, at any time I would get a paycheck, I would get a paycheck for 2 weeks worth of work. And I would lose that paycheck within a day. Or within 2 days. Or within 3 days. Like, I would literally lose all that money that I've worked 2 weeks for. Do you know how, do you know how bad it is for your mental health? To pretty much be working for free? I would go to my shift and I would just accept that I was working for free. Because I was that down bad. But you know what I thought to myself every single day? Hey, maybe I'm going to make it back here. Today's going to be different. I was doing the same actions, but I thought I was going to make everything back because I was in a hole. I was in a hole at the time. I was in a hole. And that hole just kept on getting deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. And I thought I was just going to make it back by doing the same things over and over again. I did the same things. I was literally addicted, and I thought I would get out of this hole by just adding to it. But sometimes the best ways to get out of the hole is to just stop taking. Bro, I was madly addicted to gambling, bro. Every shift I worked, the paycheck would just go out of the door. I would work, and then I would lose that paycheck within a day. Within 2 days. Within 2 days. Do you just imagine, bro, you working for 2 weeks, and then within an hour, bro, you've already lost all that money. Bro, I felt hopeless. I felt like I didn't deserve anything. I felt at my bottom, bro. No one knew about this. Like, I would go out, me and my friends would go out to eat, like, during lunch at school, and, bro, I simply just, I couldn't even order food because I didn't have any money in my account. No one knew about it. I was just like, yeah, no, I'm not going to eat today. But in reality, bro, I was just broken on the inside. My friend had just died. My parents were getting divorced. It was a bad time in my life. And I sat there and I just didn't make a change in it. I didn't make any change in my life. I kept on doing the same things, expecting something to change. But nothing's going to change unless you change it yourself. And then this is the best decision I ever made in my life. So now I switched jobs. I'm working more. I'm working like 40 hours, 50 hours a week now. I get my first paycheck from Chipotle. I tell myself, this is my last shot. It was a $700 paycheck. I tell myself, this is my last chance, opportunity to do this. And what do you think happened? I lost that paycheck. And from then on, I'm like, hey, I can either keep on doing the same things that I'm doing over and over again, or I actually can put in work and get myself out of this hole. Because yes, bro, I've pretty much been working for 2 years of my life. I have $0. All my life savings are gone. I literally have nothing. I have nothing in my name. My parents think I have a lot more money than I do. My parents still don't even know about this, by the way. Like, my parents think that I have a lot more money than I do. I should have like $30,000 right now, but I have $0 because I've lost it all. And then what happens? I start trading, and then I lose more money. I lose more money trading because I'm trying to make that money back. You know what I tell myself? At least I'm not gambling. At least I'm not gambling. At least I'm losing money trading. That's what I told myself. And it's kept on losing and losing and losing and losing. And when you get in that mentality, when you just keep on losing, and you want to make money back, and when you're constantly looking at the money, you feel like you're working for nothing. That's a bad place to be. That's not the right place to be. And then I just kept on working, kept on grinding, kept on losing money. And then it got to a point to when I'm like, hey, I think I should go all in on this. And that's when I started posting content. That's when I started creating. That's when I got real with myself and been like, hey, we're putting all this effort into a job. We want to become a trader. Let's do something about this. I quit my job and I went all in. But for the first month after me quitting my job, I literally didn't do anything. I didn't change anything. I was still doing the same habits. I thought I was changing anything, but I wasn't. And then after a month happened, I made another decision. I'm like, hey, let's start streaming. Let's start posting content. And ever since then, bro, I have not looked back. I've improved so much. I've lost weight. I've become stronger. I've become mentally tougher. And the thing is, I do not regret a single thing that has happened to me. I do not regret a single struggle, a single loss in my journey. And you're probably looking at me like, man, this guy's crazy. Bro, I've lost like $30,000 all time. $24,000 gambling, bro. Do you know how bad? Do you know how embarrassing that feels? I don't want anyone to know about that, bro. My parents don't even know because I want to hide it from them, and I still do. I'm not gonna come up to everyone and say, "Hey, man, I've lost like $20,000 gambling." And when you treat trading like gambling, this is just when like you just gotta be real about it. Like learn from my mistakes, learn from my mistakes, and learn from your mistakes, bro. Like you don't have to go through what you're doing right now. I was losing over and over again. I was losing paycheck after paycheck after paycheck after paycheck after paycheck. I had zero money. I didn't have anything. I didn't have to be in that situation, but I wasn't learning from anything. I wasn't learning from my mistakes, bro. I kept on making mistakes, but I wasn't learning from them. Like, do you really want to keep on making these same mistakes and not learn anything from them? Because sometimes in life, bro, we get too stubborn. As people, as individuals, we get too stubborn. We need life to like literally smack us straight across the face. We need something terrible to happen, bro. My friend died. My friend died that used to support me, bro, and I wasn't doing anything to fix it. I thought I was doing something because I said I was working harder, but realistically I was just losing money, gambling that away. I had $0 to my name. And then I got real with myself. I said, bro, we have $0 to our name. My account balance is literally $10. I don't even have enough money, barely have enough money to buy McDonald's. What are we going to do from here? It's all about your next move. That's the best thing about life, bro. Everything's an even playing field. It's all about your next move. What are you going to do next? You can either live that victim mentality bullshit. You can either say that your life isn't good enough. You can either say that you're not good enough. You're not going to make it. But, bro, it's all about your next move. Every one of us. It's all about our next move. What are you going to do from here? Are you going to improve up from here? Or are you just going to do the same shit that you have been doing over and over again? And, like, the thing with me, bro, I've always envisioned myself of becoming, like, something crazy. I've always said that, like, hey, bro, I'm really different. I've always said that I'm different. But I never actually did anything to get there. I never actually did anything. You got to be honest with yourself. You got to look at yourself in the mirror and simply be honest. Be honest. Because, like, even me in my trading career as well, I can either make the mistakes that I have been making or I can improve and learn from these. And Kenny, bro, where you're at right now, I know it feels bad. I know it feels like you're struggling. Well, it doesn't feel like you are struggling. And I know you feel like your world's just on top of you, bro. That's exactly how I felt every time I used to lose my paychecks. Every single time I would lose a paycheck within an hour. A whole 2 weeks worth of paychecks. And bro, why do you think I kept on doing it? Because I was getting fed dopamine. And I was just doing it for the wrong things. Granted, it wasn't necessarily an hour. It would probably be like, realistically be like a week. I would lose my paycheck in a week. Like there were times when I would have like, I would make money and then lose it all. I would be up and then I would lose it all. Or I would be down and then I would make it back and then I would lose it all. And you can do that same shit with trading. Anyone can make a bunch of money trading. But are you going to keep on doing it? Because are you going to keep on making money? Because a lot of these traders out there, or I can guarantee you some traders, make a shit ton of money. They make a shit ton of money. They'll make like $100K in a month. But the way that they got there was not sustainable. They made $100K, they think they're the shit, and then they lose it all. Don't be that trader. Build good habits. Build a good foundation. To then, if you do make money, you have a foundation. All right, that's kind of me ranting. Now you speaking facts, though. I appreciate it. Damn, bro, you for real. You motivated me for real. I just need to be patient and disciplined, and let time do the heavy lifting, bro. No. You still have the wrong mindset, bro. And let time do the heavy lifting. In reality, bro, no one is going to do the reps for you. No one's going to do the sets for you. Your parents are going to look at you. People around you are going to look at you. They're not going to do it for you. No matter who supports you, though, like no matter how many people support me on my journey or whatever, it's not going to make the reps easier. It's not going to make me running easier. It's not going to make the day-to-day grind any easier. Just because I have people supporting me, just because I have people looking at me, does not make the grind easier. I was thinking that this morning as well. Like 5 miles is 5 miles. I was running 5 miles today. I actually ran 6, bro. It is time to dial in. It's time to stop fucking around. I don't cuss very often, but it's time to stop fucking around, bro. It's seriously time to stop. And we can either like screw around, or we can actually get after it. And there's going to be so many of these trading communities out here that are trying to preach this like straight up bullshit. Get rich quick, join my Discord. But bro, you and me, like I'm no different than you right now. I'm no different than you. Let's build, let's grind, bro. It's our time to get after it. The world is yours. Like, seriously, the world is yours. It's all about your next move. It's all about your next move. Kenny, don't let your past define you. Don't let what just happened to you define you. Like life does get better. When I had $0 to my name, when I had a negative account balance, actually I kind of wanna pull up a picture. Give me a minute, y'all. Give me a minute, y'all. It literally used to be broken, bro. I like anytime I got a paycheck, I would go to the ATM, I would take it out in cash. So I wouldn't try to lose it, and then at like 1 a.m. I would find myself going back to the bank to deposit that back into my account so I could gamble. I was broken. Anytime I would get money, bro, I did not know how to I had another account as well that I started and I also stopped. Bro, where I would screenshot anytime I had money because I knew I probably wouldn't have it in the future. Let's see. Hold on, I don't want to leak my I had 8 cents in my checking account. 8 goddamn cents in my checking account, bro. 8 cents. It's all about your next move. I used to feel broken. I used to feel lost. I used to feel like I wasn't able to do it, bro. But it's all about your next move. What are you going to do next? Anyways, I'm going to head out of here. I will see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. Let's lock in.